Hi guys! In today's video I'll be showing how I remove scratches and the tarnish from my jewelry at home, and I hope that you like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I have my Cartier Love bracelet from 2019 and I always wear it, I never take it off. And I have to say this bracelet actually tends to scratch a lot because I usually stack it with other jewelry. I just love the way it looks with Van Cleef and Arpels 5 motif bracelet. It's one of my most favorite combinations. And also I love to wear it with Cartier Justin Clue. I have been using this material on yellow gold and white gold. I previously attempted to use it on my Cartier Love necklace, which is rhodium plated, and it did not work. As per my experience, it only works on plain yellow and white gold. So I just used this fabric that is called Jules Rouge Cloth. I previously spoke about it in many of my videos. I also showed to you the material, but it got sold out and so many people wrote to me that they can't find the alternative. So I decided to actually source for a new one and share with you as well. It finally arrived and I just love it. I'll also add the link to it in the description box below. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money and I'm just sharing the experience. And I will show to you my other material that I have been using. Over the time, it literally turns black. And once it becomes like that, I actually need to start looking for another fabric. Otherwise, it's not going to be effective. By the way, it's important to use gloves when using this material. It arrived with this sticker and I have to say that all Jules Rouge cloth that I bought in the past never had this kind of stickers. I think it's a new thing and I wish I knew before. I never used gloves, but now I'm going to do this. I recently had an incident with a lot of my jewelry pieces. I tend to clean them quite often, at least once a week. And one night I just did not dry them. The cleaning procedure is always the same for me. Just add the dishwasher liquid in hot water, dip the jewelry, and that's it. Later I just need to dry it. But one day I forgot to dry it properly. I was just too tired. And I discovered that my jewelry just tarnished. The same happened with my Guilloche necklace. You can see right in the middle. I actually removed quite a few of those. There was more. I forgot to film it. I just didn't realize that this can happen. I mean, I have been using gold all my life, but I suppose because I never left water on top of it, and I presume there was a bit of the solution left on it, and that's what caused it. And the same also happened to my frivole earrings. I was so upset. I just took the fabric, I wiped it gently, and it removed it. I used it on my all other Cartier pieces, but I have never tried it on Guilloche. I was a bit scared because it's a special kind of design. I was afraid that I might actually damage it, but I had to be very careful. I had to apply a bit of pressure, then I would have to check the condition and keep going. It took me quite a while, probably like 5 minutes, but I was able to remove all the stains. It definitely worked. Next time I will know and will be very careful. And of course it's very easy with all other pieces. You just put pressure, not too much, keep checking how it is, and that's it. It's very easy to clean it. And I'm very surprised that not many sales associates actually know about this fabric because it's just such a lifesaver for me. It helps me to keep my jewelry looking like new for as long as possible. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it useful. I will leave all the links to all the fabrics that I previously purchased in the description box below in case you're interested. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!